Welcome back to my channel, guys. Monatology. Today I'm going to show you something that I bought online. I think to those who are suffering from hot flashes and always feeling hot and in the country where it's so hot like Philippines, I think this is a very good suggestion and very useful. So I'll show you guys what is this, and you're gonna be surprised. This is really awesome products that I saw online. There are expensive ones, worth like 100, like $20 and more. But this one is cheaper, guys. This is only like 30 bucks. So there you go. This is an amazing product, guys, and really it helps me cool down my body from heat. So to those who have hot flashes, and I think this is the best solution for you to buy. It has 3 sets, like 1, 2, 3. So the 3 is the most powerful. So it's blow air in your neck and in your around your neck. So this is the USB that you can attach to computer, and there's like you can just follow the instruction here in the leaflet. And actually this is very light. Even you put this in your neck the whole day, it's not gonna bother you, and the sound is minimal. Some products, they complain that it's so loud, but this one doesn't bother me actually. Even I'm watching TV, it's okay, and it's tolerable. You can hear the sounds around you. There you go. That is the button, and yep, you can press it, and these are the holes that the air was blowing out to your neck. It's actually gorgeous, guys. When you're wearing it, it looks like an earplug or something like a music gadget, dada. But it's actually not. It is an electric fan, literally electric fan. That's you can put in your neck, around your neck. So this is and the battery, guys, is lasted so long, like the whole day I'm wearing it. I just need to charge it probably when I'm like at nighttime. When I'm ready to sleep, I plug it, and then in the morning I pull it out and wear it almost the whole day, because I'm always sweaty, guys. I'm always very hot, and um, even I'm just at home, I'm wearing it, and while watching TV and working around the house, and it helps me a lot. So I'm just demonstrating to you guys that you can also wear it this way, but it's supposed to be the other way, and doesn't matter. Okay, here it is. I'm wearing it the right way in the subway. We're going to motor vehicle department, and a lot of people are staring at it. They thinking probably, what is that? It looks like cool. They didn't realize it's only an electric fan. I heard that some of the items, the products, there are people who are complaining that they cannot hear anything because of the sound. But this one seems quiet. It's not that quiet, but at least you can hear, if someone's talking to you, or probably want to listen to the music, you can still hear, and the sound is tolerable. So that's just really pretty good. There you go, guys. Oh my god, this is something. It's so cool. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. There you go, guys. See, did you see that? Okay. It's really cool. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates and the latest of my video. Bye bye.